They say 10 miles per hour. Believe me, they mean it. You should go 10 miles per hour on those little roads. Beautiful here. It's beautiful here, guys. For a limited time, the Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall Edition package, which includes front LED turn signals, rear LED turn signals, smoke lenses, the Magic Strobe brake flasher, and a Custom Dynamics Traveling Tall collaboration pack. There's a limited supply. Make sure you order yours today. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day. All right, guys, so we are here at Lake Tahoe. That is Eagle Falls. We're gonna go down there and get a closer look at it. Watch your step, there's rocks and stuff. Guys, this is beautiful. What do you think? I knew she'd like it. Guys, look at that island way out there. Beautiful here. It's beautiful here, guys. I gotta get my phone out. I definitely gotta take some pictures for Instagram. All right, guys. So we're climbing up this boulder that's hanging off the side of the mountain. Look at that. So we went to another location. All right, guys, so we're about to get back on the bike and head back to the hotel. You're gonna go with us and enjoy the ride. All right, guys, so we're leaving Lake Tahoe now. Well, Inspiration Point, we're still at Lake Tahoe. I gotta show you this road. This road is really cool. It's very curvy. Yeah, that just went dead. Forget about this camper. I don't care about that camper. I'm gonna show y'all this. Check this out. Look how narrow this road is. Extremely narrow, and we're up high. Not only are we high, it's windy. Look, there's drop-offs on both sides. No room for mistakes on this road. None. And it gets worse as you come down. So we're gonna take it easy. You can see the riverboat. You see that way down there? All right, so now we're going around a little circle here. Back this way. They say 10 miles per hour. Believe me, they mean it. You should go 10 miles per hour on those little roads. That's where our hotel is, way over there. Here's another turn. Tight hairpin turn. If you were going fast, you'd scrape your saddlebags, definitely. And a big drop off. Look at all the snow up there, guys. Check that out. That's the road we're going to down there. But look at all that snow. Lake Tahoe has not disappointed. Hey, Tony, look, there's a waterfall right there. All that snow's running off. There's the road we're going to. Look at this little curve. All the way over. Now my bike's lifted up. I wasn't leaning hard anyway with my wife on the back, but my bike is lifted up, so it does pretty good going around curves without scraping. If I'm scraping, then I'm leaning over real far. Only thing, I wish I'd see a bear or something in Lake Tahoe. That would be really cool to see a bear. But right now, we're headed back to the hotel, but on the way back to the hotel, we're gonna get something to eat. I'm hungry. Let y'all enjoy this ride a little bit. Another 10 mile per hour turn. Big rock in the middle, right in the way. That's why it's important to be able to go at the right speed to make those adjustments. Just think, oh, look at that view, that's beautiful. Just think, if I would have hit that rock with my front wheel in that turn, leaning over real hard, that could have been a bad situation. Still making our way down. You can see where there was a fire. This part of the forest has been burnt. Over the last couple of days, we've seen some beautiful stuff. Out at Antelope Island in Utah, the Salt Flats in Utah, the Colorado Rockies, the plains of Kansas. Beautiful scenery. And I can tell you what, you know, one is just, I can't say one is better than the other. They're all spectacular in their own way. And I'm grateful. I thank God that I'm able to get out and do this. And now that I can share this with my wife and let her see this, even though it was a hard ride to get here, had to spend a whole lot of long days on the bike, it was definitely worth it. Now we're at the easy part. That was the laboring part, and this is the easy part. We get to enjoy it. Well, we enjoyed that too, but riding sometimes straight 200 miles, it seems like there's not even a turn. With high winds, it gets a little tiresome, I guess you'd say. But this, it's worth it. What it's all about. Riding motorcycles. Get out and ride your motorcycle, guys. Don't buy touring bikes and don't go touring. You know, I mean, they're yours. You do whatever you want to with it. But if you really want to enjoy that touring bike that you spent that money on and had a dream of going on a trip, then take the trip. If you can't go for 2 weeks, go for one. If you can't go for one, go for a weekend. You know, just get out and do something. You will enjoy it, and you will be, I think you'll like your bike more when you get out and use it like that. I have a good time running around town, but I live in Tennessee. We go up to the Great Smoky Mountains and ride those roads all the time. So we have some pretty awesome roads, and I get to ride with my family. The last time that I was here, I was with my daddy and my Uncle Reggie. And now I'm glad that I get to, I told my wife about this so many times. Now I'm glad that I get to share this with her so she can see it. and she loves it, guys. So I'm telling you, I will put her Instagram. What's there, a bear? Oh, you want to go see that? Okay, we'll turn around. I will put an Instagram link. There will be some pictures that you can see. And oh, let's see. No, I ain't doing that. And guys, you can check that out. Anyway, we're gonna make a little detour before we go back to the hamburger place. I'll turn around in just a second. All right, guys, so now we're out here where the water is. Look at this, it's like the ocean. All right, guys, so now we're on our way to go get something to eat. We might make one more detour before we do that, but I'm getting hungry. And it's getting late in the day. 7:23, getting cold, which, you know, technically, where I'm from, Knoxville, it is 10:23, so we are 3 hours behind now. So we're gonna get us something good to eat, go back and relax. See you in a minute.